What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. Today's the Knoxville Experiment. Let's get rolling. Wagon with regular wheels.
I know.
No drag radials.
One's got a hole in it. I ordered new ones a month ago and they're still not here.
No. Ron's M6, Taylor, Jamie, and Nick. We got the whole crew. Group C rolling for the show. Hello, friends. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Getting ready to load in. Got the whole crew. Actually, Matt, flick the underglow on. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks sweet down here. What's up, fam? Nick. And we even ran into Shay on the way in. Let's go, man. Good to see you. Well, I think I gotta move my car. All right, rolling complete, wipe down complete. Got the squad. Starting with the wagon, the M6. Looks really good in this lighting. You can really see this blue on this M. This is a gorgeous color. My car, rocking the green. The underglow actually shows pretty well, even though there's a lot of lighting in here, so I left it on. Got the Viper. Nick's making another cameo. GT3 Taylor. Digital camo. There's a big wang. The Alpha. Nick's car.
Solstice.
Oh, I like that, dude. I gotta get one of those.
You know what it is?
What is it?
It's a Dollar Tree picture frame with carbon fiber vinyl and a sticker stuck on it. But it looks good.
That's smart. I need to get one. We got Shay's car. Brandon's still doing his wipe down, but we got the Mercedes, and people are still rolling in. We got some Grom Nation came in. I've never ridden one, but they look fun. So this is where we all rolled in from. So we drove in underneath the convention center, as you guys saw before. That's the entrance way. We got some trucks coming in now, and then I mean you can see how big this room is. It's pretty legit. We got DJ over there on the stage, Air Nation over here, and then race car, because like what fits in better with these than an actual race car? This is Hamza's car, C5.
It's looking good, Rob.
Thanks, man. This is the track machine. What do you think so far, Shinholt?
A lot of clean show cars.
Yeah, there are actually a lot of nice show cars here. This Supra is clean. That's a nice wrap. I don't really usually like color flip, but this looks good. I like the splitter. APR. That's clean. Is this on bags? Looks like this. I mean, it's low.
Yeah, I see the tank.
It's on bags. Yeah. I like the wheels too. I like that a lot. Oh, this is clean. This looks good. Not too much orange. Anderson Composites hood on bags. It's cool. Kevin's car over here. Say hi to Hamza. We were just checking out your car.
Really?
Yeah.
Hope you liked it.
The track monster. Kevin's car. That orange Audi. And we got some other familiar faces over here. Say hi to YouTube, Connor.
Hi, YouTube.
This is his bag. This is what is it? One Low Coyote on Instagram.
Sir.
One Low Coyote. Number one LO Coyote, right? And he's got the top mount twin turbo kit. Does look cool. And he is pretty low. Oh, you don't have a splitter anymore.
Yeah, yeeted.
Got Showboat Scat Pack over here. Joey. Rocking the Ghost camo, triple black camo. There you go.
Yeah, because I know Matt had his car there.
Wrap looks good, man. I hadn't seen it in person. This is my first time seeing it in person, yeah. Showboat Scat Pack. Got a new spoiler on here too. This is new. Oh, you got that hydro dip too? That's cool.
Yeah, the skulls.
Yeah, the skulls. There you go. You can kind of see it there. The skulls. And that matches all the stuff in his engine bay that he got hydro dipped. Also his fuse box cover, valve covers, all that stuff. Wrapped by ACW. This is the calm before the storm, before people are allowed in. This is a wide Lexus. It looks sick. Sean's car is here. There he is. You got a tent and everything?
Yeah, man.
Fancy, fancy. Shameless plug, radioactive car audio.
Appreciate it.
There you go. And that's his McLaren. I can't race you. I don't have enough power yet. Well, I can race you. I'll just lose, but
Let me know when you're ready.
need a bigger blower. Then we'll run for sure. Wide body BRZ here with a very interesting don't know if this is paint or a wrap, but interesting color. I'm not sure how well it's coming through on camera, but it's this like brownish purple sort of, depends which way you're looking at it, I guess. Looks cool. So they're still loading in Group C, and then the show will actually start. But I decided to do video now because it's probably gonna get a little more chaotic in here. Wanted to make sure that I captured everything first. Got a good look at all the cars before everyone comes in. Got NSX over here. Shinhold beat me to it.
It looks like it's brand new.
Well, it's got aftermarket seats.
No, but like it's got like the dealer wrap on the carpet. So I checked the mileage, 160,000.
It's a driver.
Yeah.
It's a driver. That does, it looks really good.
It looks really good.
Yeah. And I like the seats actually go with the OEM interior pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
These Brahms, yeah. Shinhold.
This will decimate all.
All, yeah.
$10,000 of parts overnighted from Japan.
Right, yes, indeed. I like it.
I like
Bead
the
locks.
valve cover.
Huh?
The valve cover.
What does it say? 2JZ, no shit. Yeah, hell yeah. Gotta love the Fast and Furious references. Can't go wrong with a Supra. They'll never get old.
I love the target top.
Oh, absolutely. I love it on my car too. That was one of those things that they kept on the Corvette all these years that I'm so happy they kept. It's so 90s and 2000s. This is a very nice looking wrap actually on this Mustang. I like this color. Yeah. It's like a snakeskin green color flip almost. And yes, it is. And this is actually a new Shelby. Back road driver. Shout out if you're watching, back road driver. This thing's gorgeous. This thing is gorgeous. I really like this color. This is, I haven't seen this before. It's nice. Thing looks just mean. It's an interesting color as well. This is like a bronze almost, it looks like, under the light. Match the wheels. Got like a different bronze gold stripe. GT350. I like it. I like the Shelby color better, the GT500 color better. That green. That's cool. That clear hood. That's so weird. I like it. It's on bags too. This thing's bad. I like it. It is low. Low. You like the Challenger? Pretty bright, huh? No, it's okay. I'm filming. You show. Pretty cool. You like that one? I know you really like this one because it has the wheel lights. That's pretty cool, huh? There's no replacement for displacement. 8.4 liters.
Big dick energy.
Big dick energy, that's right. You want to vlog? Oh, you vlogging?
Selfie.
You vlogging? You vlogging? All right, guys, I didn't get to film on the way out because at the end of the show, everyone kind of fired up their cars and left row by row, and my row was actually the first one to leave, so I didn't get to film really anyone leaving. We had a great time at the Knoxville Experiment. I'm looking forward, hopefully StreetLab will keep doing some more events in the area. We'll be at all of those. To anyone who I didn't get a chance to talk to, message me on Instagram, come grab me at a different event or something, come say what's up. I know these events get kind of chaotic and it's difficult to talk to everybody, but appreciate all the support, appreciate anyone who I did talk to. It was great meeting you guys. It was a really awesome group of people. We had a ton of fun. Next weekend is Harper's Cars and Coffee, so I hope to see some of y'all there. As usual, I hope this video is entertaining, and I'll see you guys next time.